So, today we're off to... hold on. Potchefstroom. I'm half English, half Afrikaans, so even though I do know Afrikaans, I am fluent in it. Every fibre of my English half wants to say Potchefstroom. So I'm just going to say Potch, like everyone else. Much road left to drive on. I hope we're nearly there. Where are you taking me, Google? Where are you taking me? Oh, jeez. So, I came to Potchefstroom. Well, we're in a park now. I'm sure this is not necessary if I stay away from people. I came to Potchefstroom to fetch my sister. She's been visiting friends for a few days. This is a small university town with Northwest University at its centre, which is one of the largest universities in South Africa and is probably best known for its medical departments. Potch is also home every September to the Art Club Kunstefeest Arts Festival, and even though it's been only an hour and a half more or less from Johannesburg, for all this time that I've lived in Johannesburg, I'd never been here. So I decided that while I was going to come do a pickup in my car, I might as well take the day and explore. So, what are my first impressions of Potch? It's a beautiful little town, or rather a little city. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be, and I do think I'm going to come back. There's a lot to explore that I haven't had a chance to see today, but also today is a Sunday, and like any good small town, nothing is open, which means that I didn't do all that much. Well, the flower shop's closed, and the barber shop over there, and the framing shop over there. So behind me is the former house of President Pretorius of the Transvaal. It has been turned into a museum, one of many museums in Potch, and it's closed. This is the Goods Fleischer house. It is a museum which showcases some of the early lives of the urban Afrikaners at a time when most of the community was rural, farm-based. It's closed. Toshia's house, another historical landmark and museum, also closed. This cute little coffee shop is closed. I found one open place, which is the church. The Dutch Reformed church behind me is actually one of the oldest church buildings in South Africa north of the Vaal River. But I'm not going to go inside because there's a service on at the moment and I'm not quite dressed for the occasion. I did go to that restaurant back there, Die Akker. It is so named because it is located on the historic Oak Tree Avenue, which is the longest planted row of oak trees in South Africa. One thing that also surprised me a great deal about Potch is how very, very, very Afrikaans it is. I mean, I always knew it was Afrikaans. It was, for a time being, the capital of the old Transvaal Republic, the Zuid-Afrikaanse Republiek, back when this was an autonomous / independent Boer republic. The capital was moved to Pretoria when gold was discovered in the Johannesburg area, so the government moved close to that to maintain better control over the situation, and Potchefstroom stopped growing, stopped expanding, and stayed pretty much an 1800s small town. The food back there at Die Akker is not good. I'm sorry. It is a very traditional Afrikaans place, and the food is very traditional. It's like what my grandmother makes, except she does it well. So I'm going to find somewhere a little bit more joyful. I just got word from my sister that she's ready to go home after a few days with her friends. So I'm on my way now to go pick her up. And then we will say goodbye to the pretty little town that is Potchefstroom. Potchefstroom. We'll say goodbye to Potch. Is it open? Is there space in the boot?
Yeah.